Hi and welcome to my channel. In today's video we will create this kind of nice earrings, and let's start. For it we will need 5 different colors of seed beads. I made a mix and I'm planning to add this kind of nice crystals in the end of each strand. I think these earrings will be nice for spring, and I will need simple hooks and this kind of triangles. Where to find triangles and hooks and everything, I will leave links below this video. Of course we will need needle and beading thread. I take beading thread which is similar color to our gold triangles and similar color of our last crystals, which will be in every strand, because if you take this kind of similar colors, your thread won't be visible. And if you will take, for example, white or any other color, thread will be visible and it might ruin the look of our future earrings. We will need 1.5 meters. The hardest part is to start our earrings, but when you start it gets even easier. For it, just go inside our triangle with the needle and the thread, leave a tail at around 10 centimeters. After we will hide it and make a knot, just like that, simple knot. Here will be our beginning. Hold the tail and take 1 seed bead, go around metal, leave a seed bead on the top, hold it this way. Our thread is coming out from the inside, from here, and you need to enter into our seed bead from the bottom and pull. Here is our beginning. Take another seed bead, go again around our metal, hold the seed bead, it should be on the top of our metal. As you can see, it want to go somewhere else, but we have to leave it on the top this way. Then enter to the same seed bead from the bottom and pull. Take another seed bead, again go around the metal, under the metal, hold the seed bead on the top and enter to the same seed bead from the bottom and pull. Take 1 more seed bead, go around the metal, under it this way, hold our seed bead on the top, bring it to the side and enter it to the bottom, from the bottom. Again 1 seed bead under the metal, hold our seed bead and enter to the same seed bead from the bottom. Seed bead under the metal, hold the seed bead on the top of our metal, enter to the same seed bead from the bottom, pull. Seed bead under our base, hold seed bead on the top and enter to the same seed bead from the bottom. And it looks like it will be our last seed bead on this row, our first row, and we have 2, 4, 6, 7 seed beads on our first row. And we start our first strand. I will just take the seed beads in the random order. Sometimes I will take 2 seed beads in the same color, sometimes 1, and I just don't think about any pattern. I just take seed beads on my needle in the random order. Sometimes I check what color is missing and I will take this color. Then I will find what length I will like for these earrings. And then I will stop my strand. I think it's enough. Now I will take crystal. It will be last in our row. Then what I need to do is I skip this crystal and I enter with my needle into the all seed beads all the way up till our beginning of the strand. Hold our crystal and pull. Now we are here on the top and we entered to this first seed bead on the first row. Then we have to enter the next seed bead from the top. Here is important that your strand is flexible. You see, if we do like that, it's very stiff and not straight. That's why we have to give it a bit more space and freedom to make it more flexible this way. Again, we start our second strand and we started with different seed beads. And we take them in random order. This time I will make my second strand 2 seed beads longer than my previous strand. My second strand is ready. It is 2 seed beads longer and I will end it as well with a crystal. Skip the crystal and I will enter into the all seed beads all the way till our top. And we enter into our first seed bead from our first row. And here is very important one thing. All the steps into the next seed bead you should do from one side. It will be a back of our earring. So as you can see here, we have one thread already. Our step from one seed bead to another one. And again from the same side, try to make all knots and all steps in between seed beads from the one side like that. Our front side will be very neat, our back side will be neat as well, but still there will be a bit visible of our steps from one seed bead to another. So better to do it from one side, like that you will know where is the front side of the earring and where is the back side of the earring. And we start our third strand. as well. It will be 2 seed beads longer than our previous one. And again we take a crystal. Of course you can use here bigger crystals like bicon crystals, and it will be a different result. And we again skip our small crystal and we go all the way up with our thread and needle to the top. And we enter into our first seed bead. We do our step into the next seed bead as well from the same side, from I always do from our back side of the earring. And strand number 4 will be as well 2 seed beads longer than previous strand, and then I will start to make strands 2 seed beads less. It will be like a small triangle at the bottom. And we do the same, just in the random order. We take our seed beads to our strand. Take crystal, skip it, and enter into the all seed beads all the way till the top of the strand. And again from the same back side we step into the next seed bead. Now, as I said before, we just make next strands 2 seed beads less, same, that will have same angle here. I will be back to you when I will finish the earring. I have finished last strand and I came out from our beginning when we made a knot. I will check that everything is fine, all my strands are flexible. And what I will do now, I won't make another knot straight away here. I will pass with my first thread into other seed bead, and then I will need to pass with my tail thread as well next to this thread. My 2 threads are next to each other and I will make a simple knot. This way our knot is inside green seed bead, and now we will secure our threads a bit more and then we will cut both of them. But I won't pass a lot of times with this thread around the seed beads because otherwise it will be too visible, our thread will be too visible. I will enter into the next seed bead to the right side. I will make a small knot with the thread which is on the metal base, only one simple knot, and I will pass with my thread into the next seed bead, and here I will cut this thread. Same I will do with my tail. but with the tail I will go to the left side. I will do as well knot with the thread which is on the metal base. I pull and I enter into the next seed bead. And I will cut my thread here. Of course you can make another knots, more knots, it's up to you, but I think it should be enough. You can see some threads a bit thicker, but actually it looks still nice and there is no any knots visible, but from our front side, as you can see, it's just perfect. There is not any knots and not any steps visible. And now I want to decorate this triangle. For it I take crystal, it's faced round crystal, Preciosa, and just a pin. I will bend this pin. I will make and we make a loop. And now I will attach triangle and my crystal, and I will need to gently close this hook, gently and carefully, not to scratch anything. And here what we have. And this kind of earrings we have by the end of this video. I hope this tutorial was useful for you and you will be able to create your own fringe triangle earrings. If you have any questions, comment below. I will be happy to answer them. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a lovely day. Bye!